Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2018 Renault Megane and I will show you which fuse to check in case your front cigarette lighter, power outlet or the rear power outlet are not working. This video will apply to 4th generation of Renault Megane made from 2016. I will also record the location of the rear power outlet, which is just down here at the bottom of the middle console. The fuse you want to check is located in the main fuse box, which is just under the steering wheel on the left side behind this cover. Now to remove this cover you will have like a small opening down here, so just want to pull it towards yourself. Now on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram here on the top. Then this yellow piece, this is the fuse puller, which you can use to pull out and check any of the fuses. And also you'll have a couple of spare fuses here, 10 amp, 15 amp and 20 amp. And once this cover is off, you will get full access to all of the fuses inside. I turned on the flash on my phone for this to be more visible. Now the power outlet's fuse, it's a 15 amp fuse located right here. So this is the one. And hopefully just by replacing this fuse that will fix your problem and your power outlets. If not, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and start looking at the wiring and the power outlets themselves. I will zoom in a bit here as well so you can see it better. So this is your fuse. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.